As we've been telling you for weeks now, budget cuts often mean schools have to cut out the extras. But thanks to a federal grant last summer, 21 high school teams here in the Heartland got the chance to build robots as part of the SEMO Robotics project. Only problem, 3 of them qualified for nationals with no extra money built in to get them there.
It's so exciting. We're still in shock about it.
It's like sinking the winning shot in your very first game. These Chaffee high schoolers built their very first robots, then took first, second, and third at their first competition. Just how hard is it to build one of these?
If you don't know the program, no one's going to know the program, because it takes so long for you to know the program, and then once you know the program, it's very easy.
Easy for him to say. Maybe I could get a simpler explanation from these members of Prototype Robotics, a homeschool team also heading to nationals.
We've got a sweep on the front made out of zip ties that sweeps up the wiffle balls, and then we've got a plastic belt with zip ties on it that lifts them up into a metal tray.
Sounds simple enough. But now all these teens face the same tough task, finding the money to get to nationals.
We won, and we get the bid to go to nationals, but it'd be such a waste if we can't raise enough money.
Janet Witter with the Workforce Development Board helped secure the federal grant that paid for the robotics program anchored at Southeast Missouri State.
We just didn't know. We didn't know how well they would do, but our teams far exceeded our expectations.
So Witter worked to land another grant to help get these teams to Atlanta.
We feel that it really has the opportunity to expand the profile of science, technology, engineering, mathematics careers in the region.
These teens also made sure to keep the ball rolling through local donations and sponsorships. Now that the funding's figured out, they can focus on the next big competition with new and improved robots.
There's iPods on the front of it. It's kind of like iPod, but it stands for improved piece of junk because we had POJ at the beginning on it, so that's what it stands for.
All 3 of those robotics teams also got some money from the private organization that sponsors the big robotics competition. They all head to Atlanta next week for nationals, and we wish them the best of luck.